Hello everyone. Topic is on how to use HTML visual as table in Power BI, but drill through not supported. Let's begin. This code generates an HTML table dynamically using Power BI's DX language. Here's a breakdown of what it does. Table header defines an HTML table with a border, white-colored borders, and 100% width. The first row contains two column headers, name and amount, styled with a gray background, red text, left alignment, and padding. Table rows uses concatenatex to iterate over a dataset named TMP and generate table rows dynamically. Each row's background color is determined based on a column named color code, mapping different values to colors like light blue, green, coral, and yellow. The text size varies depending on the level column, with larger sizes for higher levels and smaller sizes for default cases. The text weight is also controlled based on level. The table cells include tooltips showing additional information when hovered over. The name column shows a tooltip with name. The amount column shows a tooltip with amount. The rows are ordered based on SNO. Table footer closes the table with final output. Observe the other conditions.